You know, we live here in Arizona. You know what that means? You gotta have shade. Follow me under the shade. Hey, you remember this guy right here, Robert Mulvin, owner of All Pro Shade Concepts. And Robert, what a beautiful new space you just created for this homeowner.
Yeah, they've been here for a long time with an unusable, beautiful outdoor space where they like to entertain.
Yeah.
They had no solutions. They called us out. We came for a consultation. We provided solutions for the other side. For this side, they went with the retractable awning. So it created basically another outdoor usable room to entertain and be comfortable year round.
So here's the deal. In the summertime, this would be baking,
unusable,
right? Yeah, super, super hot. But now you've got this whole, I mean, you've just expanded your home.
Not only this is being cooled off, but the entire room.
Yeah, it drops the temperature significantly.
Yes.
Let's talk about this design that you came up with, because you have a lot of challenges. Every home is different, right?
Every home is different. This one was super low patio. We had to put it on the roof, which we specialize in as well. So we did roof mount style awnings, and it came out an additional 12 feet. So it's just, and then at night it has lights. Like, it's super durable. The colors they chose,
blends right into the house.
Perfect with this desert landscape.
I love that. And let's talk about the materials, because you said colors and you have lots of choices.
Hundreds of colors.
But this has to put up with the sun.
It does. So this is Sombrella. It's an acrylic fabric that has a 10-year warranty. It'll last forever. I mean, I say 10 years, but it retracts into a full cassette, so that way it's protected when you're not using it. And then it has a motion sensor, so if you're gone, your awning's out, it'll come in automatically to protect it from the
wind. Yeah, because you know that can kick up, right? Yes. Okay, so this is one concept, but wait, there's more. Come check it out. So Robert, this is a whole different shade. Why would we install a shade like this? First of all, what's it called?
It's called a sealed track roller shade, motorized.
Okay, and why would somebody want this installed versus the one that goes out?
The retractable awnings, these come up and down. So this is a bigger room. It faces east. They wanted to close this room off to entertain. It's already a huge room. So they can block out the sun, block out the critters, block out the wind, and protect all their furniture and the beautiful windows and TV in here.
Yeah, and the cool thing is it keeps it cool in the summer and warm in the winter, right?
Huge.
Okay, I want to talk a little bit about the fact that you guys, as the owner, you've been in business how long?
21 years.
21 years. And these are all your own installers.
Yes.
I mean, it's all you, right?
Everything's in-house. We have a training facility, a new showroom, a new warehouse. It's right off the I-17 Bell Road. It's so sick. But we train all our staff. We only hire A players, and we train them to be the best installers in the business. Not only that, we have relationships with tons of contractors. So if you have any specialty needs that you have to have a shade installed, we have those capabilities.
Okay, just like we saw in the front, right? You have a different kind of roof mount.
Yes.
Out here, everybody's got challenges because every home is different, right? But you can make it work no matter what.
Yes, nothing's straight, nothing's level, nothing's plumb. We make it that way because our shades can only work if it's that way.
Right, right. And if you go to the showroom, you can touch, feel, push the buttons.
So cool.
All right.
All of them.
Look at all the fabrics.
Yes.
Touch and feel. That's what I like. All right. Thanks, Robert. And here's a special offer. How about this? A free patio heater with the purchase of every motorized shade. Limit 3 heaters per order. Visit their new showroom, All Pro Shade Concepts, at 17431 North Black Canyon Highway in Phoenix. Call 602-755-1580 to set up a consultation, or visit allproshade.com to learn and see more.